So hello everyone, from this video onwards I'll start solving questions on this index properties of soil. So let us read the question carefully. The void ratio at the densest, loosest and the natural states of sand deposit are 0.2, 0.6 and 0.4. That means void ratios he has given. So in which state he has given? Densest state he has given, loosest state he has given and natural state also he has given. And he asked us to find out the value of relative density of the deposit, relative density of the repository. So relative density or density index, it will be denoted by ID, I suffix D. Okay, relative density or density index, I suffix D is equal to, this formula is given by E max, that means maximum void ratio, minus E, that means void ratio in the natural state, divided by E maximum minus E minimum. Okay, this actually we will be expressing in percentage only. Expressing in percentage only. This relative density or density index will be expressed in percentage only. Now we just have to know, so which one is E max, which one is E and which one is E minimum. Okay, so first he has given in the densest state. That means if the soil is densely packed, means voids will be compressed, voids will be compressed, then we will be getting minimum void ratio, because if the voids are compressed, then volume of voids will be less. If the volume of voids will be less, then void ratio will also be less. Okay, so this is nothing but 0.2. and in the loosest state, okay, loosest state means, in loosest state, if the voids are loosely packed, then volume will be more. If the volume of voids are more, then obviously void ratio will also be more. Then the second thing he has given is E max, that will be equal to 0.6. The third one, natural state, means this is small e only, E is equal to 0.4. Just substituting in the formula only, other than that nothing we will be doing. Okay, so relative density or density index is equal to E max. E max is how much? 0.6 minus E will be how much? 0.4 divided by E max. E max means 0.6 minus E minimum is 0.2. This is nothing but 0.2 by 0.4, 1, 2, that means 0.5. 0.5 means we have to express in percentage, so multiplied by 100, that will be equal to 50%. So relative density or density index will be given by 50%. Okay, this is actually formula based question only. We just have to know how to identify E max and how to identify E minimum. Anyway, the natural state of sand deposit, in natural state of sand deposit, the void ratio will be small e only. So densest state means minimum void ratio will be getting, loosest state means maximum void ratio will be getting, natural state means void ratio in its natural state will be getting, that is small e. So this is about this question. In the next video we'll solve one more previous year problem on this index properties. So thanks for watching my video. If you feel the content is useful, please like my channel and subscribe as well. Thank you.